वेलकम टू दी कोड पीसीएस। इस वीडियो में हम लोग घटना चक्र की वन लाइनर सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करते हुए अपना नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टेट एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड सिटीजनशिप के पार्ट को डिस्कस करेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। एज पर आर्टिकल 1 सब क्लॉज 1 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इंडिया दैट इज भारत शैल बी अ यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट rather than फेडरेशन ऑफ स्टेट। Article 2 provides for admission or establishment of new states. Article 3 provides for power of parliament in formation of new states, alteration of areas, boundaries and names of existing states. Parliament can form new states through simple majority. Condition under Article 3 must be introduced only with the prior recommendation of President. Before recommending the bill, President must refer the bill to the concerned state legislature for expressing views within a specified time. President or Parliament not bound by the state legislature's views. Need to refer again if the bill amended in Parliament. It was held by Supreme Court in Babulal versus State of Bombay in 1969. For Union Territories, no reference to legislature is required. Parliament also has the power to form state or UT by uniting part of state or UT with another. India is indestructible union of destructible states. Parliament can destroy state, but state cannot destroy the union. Amendments made under Article 2 and 3 are out of the scope of Article 368, which means Article 2 और 3 में किए गए amendments को Constitution Amendment Act नहीं माना जाएगा. A state reorganization commission under the chairmanship of Fazl Ali was constituted for the formation of new state in 1953. Two other members of this commission was K.M. Panikkar and H.N. Kunjuru. स्टेट और उसके फॉर्मेशन ईयर्स दिए गए हैं। आंध्र प्रदेश 1953 में फॉर्म हुआ था, हरियाणा 1966, हिमाचल प्रदेश 1971, सिक्किम 1975, नागालैंड 1963, झारखंड 15 नवंबर 2000, तेलंगाना 2 जून 2014, सिक्किम 1975. Our next chapter is citizenship, constitutional provision, part 2, article 5 to 11. Article 9, person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of foreign state not to be citizens. Article 10, continuance of rights of citizenship. Article 11, parliament to regulate the rights of citizenship by law. Acquisition of citizenship under the Act of 1955 by birth with exceptions. Children of foreign diplomat and enemy aliens, by descent, by registration and by naturalization. Loss of citizenship under Citizenship Act of 1955 by renunciation, voluntary declaration during war, registration may be withheld by the central government. By termination, if an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires foreign citizenship. By deprivation, compulsory termination of central government in case of obtained citizenship by fraud, disloyalty to constitution, traded or communicated with enemy during war. तो यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने दोनों चैप्टर्स के इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड लाइनर्स को कंप्लीट कर लिया हुआ है. If you like my efforts, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.